Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast. We are looking pretty good today. We are dry. We are warming up into the mid to upper 50s here in the metro area. We've got sunshine, but things change certainly as we head into the overnight hours in the mountains. We're going to get some pretty widespread snow starting out about 9 o'clock this evening and then continuing into tomorrow morning. So expect some slick travel conditions in the mountains overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. As for the lower elevations, we're staying dry through the night. Our winds will pick up, but tomorrow morning may be waking up to some flurries in areas across the plains, and that does include the metro area. We're expecting little to no accumulation with the system, with the snow that expected to fall at the lower elevations. Again, south along I-25 close to Colorado Springs may pick up an inch or so. Out east along I-70. This event mainly bringing snow to I-70 and south along the plains, but not expecting much in terms of accumulation. Let's go ahead and take you up to the mountains right now where we've got some sunshine. Actually, we saw a band move through bringing some snow to the high country earlier today. Getting a break, another band again will move in tonight and intensify overnight with snow falling up in the high country. No problem driving up to the mountains right now. The roads are looking fantastic. We're at 56 degrees right now at DIA. Winds out of the northwest right around 6 miles per hour. So the dryness in Denver topping the weather headlines for today, along with the mountain snow tonight. Tomorrow we're looking at some morning snow flurries in and around the metro area. And we are warm and dry for the rest of the week. When we talk about the rest of the week, we're talking about Thursday right on through Saturday. We're going to be pretty seasonal on Wednesday, but certainly warming up about 10 degrees above normal Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Current temperatures, we're about 55 in Colorado Springs. Pueblo checking in at 60 degrees, still a chilly 40 degrees in snowpack Lyman, 54 in Fort Collins. We're looking at 36 degrees right now in Eagle, Alamosa, 42 degrees, and we're at 47 in Grand Junction. So your forecast for the Denver metro area today, mostly sunny, highs topping out right around 56, may sneak up to 57 degrees briefly this afternoon. It's going to be breezy with those winds really starting to kick up this afternoon. Forecast highs across the plains, 40s and 50s. 20s, 30s, and 40s in the high country for today. Here is a live look at your radar. Okay, so we did see some moisture down across the southeast corner of the state eastern plains with a system that is moving across Texas right now. That system completely moving out of the state, so we're clear of that. We had one band of snow move through the mountains. We're in between, kind of on a break before another one, as you can see here on our satellite radar, moves through. That system to the north and west of us are going to be dropping down and bringing us some snow again starting at about 9 o'clock. So let's put our forecast into motion right now. And there it is. There's our Futurecast with, we're clear in the metro area as we head into the evening hours. 9 o'clock, clear skies up and down the I-25 corridor. We're seeing clouds re-enter over the mountains with some scattered light snow at 9 o'clock. But then it really does start to intensify as we head into the midnight hour, overnight hours. Again, I expect some slick travel along I-70 through the mountains as well as the passes. We're going to see as we head into tomorrow morning some heavier snow down across the just south of I-70 as well in the mountain area, and that's going to be the same for the plains for tomorrow morning. We're going to see snow along I-70 and to the south along the plains, and that goes for the mountains as well. That just brings us through tonight up in the high country with that snow intensifying. When all is said and done, we're looking at about 2 to 6 inches of snow up in the high country. As for the winds today, winds not too much of an issue right now at a DIA, 6 miles per hour. We're talking about an 11 mile per hour winds in Longmont, Fort Collins, but head up into the into the foothills, and those temperatures, those wind gusts really picking up. 30 mile per hour wind gusts right now, Nederland, Dumont, 42. Blackhawk reporting wind gusts of 34 miles per hour, and they're going to increase as we head into the afternoon as well, with 50-plus mile per hour wind gusts in Nederland, Allens Park, pretty close to 50 mile per hour wind gusts in Estes Park, Red Feather Lakes rather. And our wind gusts getting up to 20 miles per hour, 26 miles per hour in Arvada, 20 miles per hour in Denver, 18 mile per hour wind gusts expected in Aurora. So again, it's going to be a breezy afternoon, and tomorrow we're in for another windy day with those winds gusting up to 30, 40 miles per hour across parts of the plains. So expect a blustery day tomorrow. As for tonight, again, a little bit of calm before the winds do pick up and we get the very chilly temperatures for tomorrow. Tonight, temperatures dropping down to 27 degrees out in front of that system. Tomorrow, cold and windy. Again, those winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour, even here in the metro area. We do have some morning light snow showers in the forecast. Again, these are flurries, not really expecting much in terms of accumulation, really little to no accumulation, so shouldn't impact travel too much down here at the lower elevations. That being said, we get a little bit of flurries, a little bit of light snow, always can make for some slick conditions. Temperatures are going to be really chilly overnight, certainly dropping below freezing, so just be cautious of some potentially slick conditions out there on the roadways if we do get those flakes flying. Our high tomorrow, the other big story weather-wise, is going to be the temperatures. We had a cold front moving through from north to south, and that is just going to plummet those temperatures, going from a high right around 57 today to a high of 39 degrees for tomorrow. So much, much colder as we get that system moving through. Forecast lows as we head for tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures in the teens and 20s. And here's a look at your Futurecast for tomorrow. This is 6 a.m. We'll start it right here, and you can see some light snow in and around the metro area. Certainly still getting snow up along the I-70 corridor in the high country, down along the Plummer Divide, south towards Colorado Springs as well. And as we head into the 8 o'clock hour, we're looking at some snow out across I-70. But again, most of this event, I-70 and south, both in the mountains and along the plains. And then all the snow moves out by tomorrow afternoon. Let's get a closer look of the metro area and kind of break down the timeline, slow it down a bit. This is 5:30 tomorrow morning, still getting snow. Again, Vail, Arapahoe Basin, Winter Park, up near Grand Lake. And in and around the metro area, a little bit of light snow falling according to the models right now. Castle Rock down to Monument. We'll continue to see that snow falling as we head into the 9 o'clock hour. That snow moving out to the east as well. Again, this is light snow falling in Lyman. And then we all clear out. That's about it. It's pretty brief here in the metro area. As for snow totals, the latest models showing possibly 3/10 of an inch in and around the metro area. Higher accumulations over a half an inch in Colorado Springs. And again, 4 to 8 inches of snow in the high country. Aspen coming in the big winter, 8+ inches according to this model of snow when all is said and done. But again, not expecting too much of an impact for this storm. For the lower elevations, certainly going to get a good amount of snow up in the high country. Forecast highs for tomorrow. Again, it is going to be chilly with forecast highs in the 30s and 40s. We're looking mainly teens and 20s in the high country. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast. So again, very, very chilly tomorrow with a high of 39 degrees. Overnight lows Tuesday into Wednesday, dropping down close to the teens. 21 your overnight low in the out at DIA. We'll be warming up to about 51, so pretty normal for this time of the year on Wednesday. And then we're warming into the 60s. We're talking about temperatures about 10 degrees above normal Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We have a ridge of high pressure dominating our weather pattern. That is going to keep us warm and dry. Mostly sunny, 61 on Saturday. Clouds increase on the Sunday. We're going to cool off a little bit with highs in the upper 50s with a system moving in that will bring us likely some more mountain snow showers, possibly. We'll keep our eye on it. A little bit of some light snow here in the metro area as well, but that is a ways out. We'll keep tracking that storm. For now, thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.